Hello, good morning. Nice, hot first week of August. Yeah, welcome to Soul Raymond Ministries HomeGrown Series brought to you by the Household of Faith. Now, what you're looking at is what I call three poles. Actually, they're four. And we have these in the ground. It's one of the few crops, food, or any other kind of plant that I have growing in the ground. This is a tomato plant, and it is, I don't remember, but I think it's a yellow pear, I believe it. And I'm starting to see the small tomatoes on it. So that's why I'm thinking that is. And there's a pepper plant on the left, French marigolds, and I plant the French marigolds to help protect the plant in the soil from the nematoids. Here's another pepper plant and another pepper plant in a pot and celery. Okay. Now, on this fourth pole, this is a strawberry plant. One of them I got from a plant swap, and the other one I bought at a local nursery. This is red Malabar spinach. Okay. Malabar spinach is loves the sun. It has a kind of a slimy taste. Feel to it. It tastes like a spinach, but it's got a slimy feel to it. Okay, and the, like okra, but it doesn't taste like okra. All right. So what I wanted to do was just share with you some of the things that I am growing. None of these, um, well, actually, the peppers and the tomato plant, they were all grown from seeds from the actual fruit that I had last year. Okay, I simply let them dry out. The tomatoes I don't. I just slice them and throw them in, and that's with all kinds of tomatoes. I'm gonna do a video on something like that at some point in the near future. What I wanted to tell you guys is that this is just a small amount of space, and I've got three pepper plants, one celery, and a tomato plant growing in here. You don't have to dig up your whole yard to grow food, okay? There are all kinds of containers and containing methods. Pots, watch for the good sales. Watch at the end of the year and you can get some tremendously inexpensive large pots like I did last year from Home Depot. Okay? So, what we're talking about in this homegrown series is growing your own food as much as you can. No one can grow everything that they want to eat. There's just not enough space. And because I live in the North Texas area of the Dallas Fort Worth Metroplex, the ground doesn't freeze. The bugs never die. It's not cold enough long enough for them to die. So I get volunteers like I did for my watermelon, and um, you got bugs that are just waiting in the soil for it to warm up more, for the adults to come out, hatch their egg, lay their eggs, hatch them, and wreak havoc on your food supply. But bugs are part of the ecosystem. Learning how to deal with them, that's a learning experience. Okay? So until next time, we're leaving and we will be back to show you some more of what we're growing at home. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel. We appreciate it. Give us a like. Leave us some comments. Show us what, I wish in YouTube you could upload an image, but you can't. So I'm going to be putting in a link for our Facebook group, and you can join us there. God bless.